Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an RS car, guys, factory hideaway headlight car, but they've actually cloned it into an RSZ. Beautiful car. Bought it from a guy out of South Carolina. Matter of fact, him and his family drove this car, I think he said 3.5 hours to the show I was at. And good car. I drove it one night. I can tell you the air blows cold. Love the color combination. This was a factory. Is a factory Fathom green car, which is the dark green. He changed it. He liked this color, which is the Rallye green. A lot of people call it British green, but it's a real bright, vibrant green. A lot like what you see on the new Camaros and Mustangs. It is a factory color for 69, and it's pretty, man. One of my favorite colors, man. It's so different. Like I say, when I drove it that one night, everybody thumbs up, but super cool car. Pretty paint. It's got the deluxe interior package in it with the comfort weave seats. Hideaways are not functional. They're factory, they're vacuum. Matter of fact, they had so many problems with them, that's why they vented them, so that you just turn the headlights on and they see through. And again, I drove it at night that way. Front and rear spoilers. Chrome's nice on the car. It's got the cowl hood. Of course, it's got the Z28 hood and deck lid striping. Car hits the road good. Like I say, they drove it 3.5 hours. That's a pretty color, man. I'm glad we got some sunshine because it jumps off this car. Older restoration, he said it was done about 10, 11 years ago. Wasn't sure on the mileage. If you figure, 1,000 a year, figure 10,000 miles on it. There is some things you can nitpick. There's some little, he said he actually did that when they were putting the deck lid on it. But a couple little touch-up marks, little things you can pick at. But overall, just a really nice car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Got the factory 15-inch GM Rallye wheels with the top hats. It's got, those are the Goodyear F70-15 polyglass tires. These are the original bumper edge. You can kind of pick at those. This is a newer bumper. Good car. I put some miles on it, 8-10 miles on it. Fun car to drive. 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got vintage air, it blows ice cold. It was 90 degrees when I was driving this thing in traffic, and air blew nice and cold. $350. Holley 4-barrel. It's got aluminum intake, HEI distributor, power steering. Again, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Does have headers on it. Again, vintage AC, stock air cleaner. I like the finned aluminum valve covers. 350 trans. Again, the hideaways were factory. They were vacuum. He originally planned on putting the electric kit on it, but he said just never got to it. Detroit Speed makes a nice kit for that. Yeah, kind of in and out of the sun there. Hopefully touch-up mark there. It's got a billet rear view mirror. the deluxe interior. See how nice the bottoms of those doors are. It's got the deluxe door pads. He did some little things. He put billet window cranks on it. Again, it's got the comfort weave seats, bucket seats, console, factory tach engages car. Tach has a mind of its own. It kind of works when it wants, guys. Headliner's nice. I like the sports steering wheel in it. Showing 57,151 on your odometer, and that is supposed to be correct. Again, tach is kind of in and out. AM/FM radio does work. It's got brand new crossover dual exhaust on it, which is the factory style exhaust. 10-bolt rear end. It's just a stock gear, 331. There is a jack and spare here in the trunk. It's all spackle coated real nice like it should be. Good straight old car. Car's clean underneath. Got some good pictures of the bottom. A lot of people put the deluxe seat covers in, but they don't put these door pads in. These door pads are expensive. Little wear on your door handles. Car, I mean, just runs out great. Runs and drives excellent. Or just kick your air on, like say it blows cold. I had it out in the heat. Just a good car. Of course, 69 Camaros are just so popular, and everybody likes the hideaway headlights. Tach working? That's funny. Hit it again? Well, it's trying to move. Like I say, it's got a mind of its own. Backup lights work. Got a good sound, man. Good car. Looks like all your gauges are working, holding good oil pressure. That works. Yep. Just got it. Well, it's gonna be tough to get a sound up against the, but I know it works. Yep. Doors open and close nice. Oh, we got a light out here. Oh, just check the connection. I bet you just wiggle the connection. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.